This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Rear shock absorber coil spring assembly. Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts. Place a floor jack under the reinforced frame area on one side of the vehicle, then raise that side of the vehicle. Support it with a jack stand placed under the notched area of the rocker panel seam. Lower the vehicle onto the jack stand and remove the floor jack. To raise both sides of the vehicle, move the floor jack to the opposite side, then place it under the reinforced frame area on that side. Raise the rear of the vehicle, then support it with a second jack stand placed under the notched area of the rocker panel seam, and lower the floor jack. When both sides of the vehicle are raised, make sure the vehicle is level from side to side. Remove the rear wheel lug nuts and remove the wheels. Working inside the rear fender area, remove the mudguard and inner fender splash shield fasteners. Remove the inner fender splash shield. Place a floor jack under the rear lower control arm and raise the arm slightly. Loosen the rear shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Remove the rear shock absorber upper mounting bolts. Remove the rear shock absorber lower mounting bolt and completely remove the shock absorber from the vehicle. Install the rear shock absorber and loosely install the upper mounting bolts. Align the bottom of the rear shock absorber and loosely install the lower mounting bolt. Raise the control arm with the jack to simulate normal ride height, then tighten the shock absorber lower fastener to the specified torque setting. Tighten the shock absorber upper fasteners to the specified torque setting. Lower and remove the floor jack. Install the inner fender splash shield and fasteners. Install the mudguard and fasteners. Tighten all the fasteners securely. Repeat this procedure for the shock absorber on the opposite side of the car. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts, then tighten them by hand. Raise one side of the vehicle at a time. Remove the jack stand and lower it. Then move to the other side of the vehicle. Tighten the rear wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting, 100 foot-pounds. Remove the chock from the front wheels